All right, let's get right into it. We have all seen those ridiculous promises, right? These stocks that are supposedly going to make you a millionaire overnight. Well, today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to break down investment strategist Joseph Hogue's really powerful framework for building actual long-term wealth. And look, Hogue doesn't pull any punches. He says it right up front. He gets the skepticism that we all feel, and he admits that nobody, and I mean nobody, really knows what a stock is going to do in 19 days, let alone a year. The real secret isn't some hot tip, it's having a rock-solid plan. And this really gets to the heart of it. You have to ask yourself, are you a gambler, chasing some hot stock you heard about just hoping it pops? Or are you an investor, somebody who's carefully building a portfolio based on a real long-term vision? For years, Hogue is the first to admit he was a gambler, and man, it cost him.
Yeah, his own story is what makes this so real. His credibility isn't based on some perfect track record. Nope, it's built on a decade of painful, super relatable mistakes that, let's be honest, a lot of us have probably made ourselves.
So let's just walk through this for a second. He jumps in back in 1999, just in time to ride that dot-com insanity, and then get totally wiped out when the whole thing imploded. But, he didn't learn his lesson. He did the exact same thing leading up to 2008, chasing stocks like, and I'm quoting him here, a toddler with a pixie sticks addiction. The result? His portfolio got sliced in half. That was the final wake-up call.
I mean, you gotta love the honesty here. This admission just gets right to the point. His early strategy was a complete and utter disaster, and it forced him to just stop, throw everything out, and build a real process that would stop the bleeding and, finally start building some actual wealth.
So this was the moment everything changed. Out of the wreckage of not one, but two major market crashes, he created a simple, systematic blueprint. It's a plan that was born directly from all those very expensive mistakes. And what he came up with is honestly beautiful in its simplicity. It's just two steps. First, you stop looking at individual stocks. Instead, you look for the massive, unstoppable trends, the trillion-dollar themes that are literally reshaping our world. Then, and only then, do you start digging in to find the companies that are leading the charge inside those themes.
Okay, so how do you actually find these leaders? Well, Hogue gives us 3 key clues to look for. First, is the company growing its sales way faster than everybody else in its industry? Second, does it have a high operating margin? That's a fancy way of saying it's really profitable, which points to a strong advantage. And third, does it have some kind of unique, defensible technology that nobody else has? These are the breadcrumbs that lead you to a true market leader.
All right, let's take this blueprint for a spin. The first unstoppable theme, well, it's one you absolutely cannot ignore right now, the AI revolution. But we need to be a little more specific than that. See, we're not just talking about your average chatbot here. The real massive opportunity is in what's called agentic AI. This is the next level. It's AI that doesn't just answer your questions, it acts like an independent employee. It makes decisions, it takes action, and it accomplishes complex goals all on its own. So just how big is this opportunity? Get this, the market for these agentic AI tools is projected to grow at an absolutely staggering 52% per year all the way through 2030. Let that sink in for a second. That isn't just growth, that's an explosion. It's a tidal wave of change that is going to completely redefine how businesses operate.
So who's leading this wave? A company like ServiceNow is a perfect example. Their big advantage is they have this single unified platform that makes it super easy for huge corporations to plug agentic AI into their systems. You combine that with 30% growth in their biggest clients and a crucial partnership with NVIDIA, and you've got a company that is perfectly positioned to just dominate this space.
Okay, let's shift gears to our second massive theme. And this one has been a huge winner for Hogue for a long time because it's a need that just never ever goes away. Digital security. And if you want to understand why this theme is so incredibly powerful, you only need to look at one number. The average cost of a single data breach for a company is now nearly $5 million. That's not just some small fine, that is an existential threat. When the stakes are that high, cybersecurity is no longer just an IT expense. It becomes a mission-critical board-level priority. And here's the thing. The problem is only getting bigger. The so-called attack surface, that's all the different places a hacker can get in, has just exploded. Think about it. You've got people working from home, apps in the cloud, data scattered all over the place. The old idea of a secure office network, that's ancient history. Security has to be everywhere, all the time. A leader in this space? CrowdStrike. Its Falcon platform is an absolute data machine. It analyzes over 1 trillion with a T security events every single day. That data feeds its incredible AI and creates a massive competitive advantage. And get this, 60% of their customers use 5 or more of their products. That's not a customer base, that is a fortress.
Okay, so we've seen the blueprint in action. So what's the real key to building a fortune? It all comes back to that fundamental shift in your thinking, moving away from short-term bets and committing to a long-term plan.
And this quote from Hogue just nails it. It's the whole point of everything we've been talking about. He says if he could go back in time and talk to his younger self, this is what he'd say. You don't need a miracle, you just need a process. You just need a damn good plan. At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. It's about stopping the guesswork and starting to think like a strategist. It's about finding those huge tectonic shifts happening in our world and then just aligning your investments with them. That is how you stop gambling and start really, truly investing.
So I'll leave you with this question. Now it's your turn to use this framework. Look out at the horizon. What are the big themes that you see coming? What's the next unstoppable force that you believe is going to shape our world and the markets for the next 10 years?